to a trial by a jury of your peers.
What?
Yes, that's right, people. The Justice Secretary is proposing ending the ancient right, which was asserted in the Magna Carta in 1215, with the exception of rape, murder and manslaughter cases.
What?
What?
Okay.
What?
What?
You gotta be f***ing kidding.
David Blind to Genocide Lammy says that this will help clear a backlog of almost 80,000 cases that the Crown Court has stacked up, but the move has already faced staunch criticism. Real Carmy Jones, who's on the King's Council and is also the chair of the Criminal Bar Association, says the consequences of their actions will be to destroy a criminal justice system that has been the pride of this country for centuries and to destroy justice as we know it. Juries are not the cause of the backlog. The cause is the systematic underfunding and neglect that has been perpetuated by this government and its predecessors for years. It simply won't work. Something that would work, though, is to perhaps avoid creating such a backlog in the first place by, not imprisoning climate protesters for using their fundamental rights and not arresting pensioners and disabled people for holding up placards to support a non-violent action group.
Damn right!
And on that note, there's also been another abominable display of judicial chicanery this week. Where Defend Our Juries are concerned, at the 11th hour, Justice Chamberlain has been removed from the case appealing the prescription of PAL action. The judge, who has a reputation for fairness and independence, will be replaced by a panel of 3 who just happen to have strong ties with Israel, and it just so happens that the last time he was replaced was when he was due to preside over the trial that led to F-35 parts being sold to the Zionist pariah state. I wonder why that happened. We're not the only ones who are suspicious either. Normally, if other judges were to be introduced, it would be alongside the current one, who's already familiar with the case, of course, but as Tayab Ali, who's a partner at law firm Beidmans, highlights, a sudden and unexplained shift from the single judge who already had conduct of the case to an entirely new panel of 3 is deeply concerning, particularly without any stated justification. In a matter as sensitive as this, involving allegations linked to Palestine and public interest activism of significant constitutional importance, the integrity and transparency of the judicial process must be beyond question. At the very least, the court should provide a clear and credible explanation for such a change. Deeply concerning indeed, Lammy's leap into deeper dystopian waters should be a huge worry for everyone, whether you're a protester or not. It's a right so fundamental that, in legal terms at least, it's been written into law for 800 years and is set to be stripped away, but as we've learned from the worst parts of history, it soon follows that other elements of our liberty become the target for authoritarian implementers. To put this into context chronologically, we've had the right to a trial by jury since Genghis, yes, that's how it's pronounced, Khan, was conquering Asia and most of Europe. And to show you how foreboding that moves like this tend to be, here's a list of some other historical figures who've made similar moves in the last 100 years or so. Not the best bunch of political characters to take your cues from, is it?
This is dreadful.
What do you think about these two stories, and are you concerned to see our rights being eroded away even further by the current excuse for a government that we have? Let us know in the comments below. As always, your feedback is very welcome. Thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. If you'd like to help the channel out a bit more, then please check out some of our other content and hit various supportive buttons such as like and subscribe. Super thanks are also open, and there's a link to our Buy Me a Coffee page in the description of this video. If you want to go a step further, then hit the join button, and for only 99p you can enjoy exclusive perks like members only videos and early viewings, plus lots more, and you get to join the list of awesome people that you can see on your screen right now. As always, your contributions are much appreciated. Thanks again, people. My left eye will be seeing you soon.